So I've been needing to make this video for a long time. A lot of people, they think that the market value of their property is what the replacement cost of insurance coverage should be, and those are two different values. So the replacement cost and the market value of your property are two different numbers. Why? Because market value is what the market is evaluating your house is worth and what someone is willing to pay for your house. Replacement cost is what it would cost to replace your house if, God forbid, something were to happen to your house, like if it burns down, tornado, lightning, anything like that, that'll tear it down. That's what it would cost to rebuild. And we're counting foundation, electrical, roofing, all those things. You need to account for it whenever you're rebuilding the house. So those are the things that you need to make sure that you're calculating correctly and making sure that you check what deductibles you have on your policy. So feel free to contact me if you have any further questions. My phone number is 469-200-0914. Thank you, and you have a